Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, food enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Mappillai Samba rice. This isn't just any rice. It's a traditional red variety from South India, celebrated for its robust, nutty flavor and impressive nutritional profile. It's a truly wholesome grain, perfect for nourishing your body. Let's get cooking. The first crucial step is soaking your Mappillai Samba rice. Aim for at least 2 to 4 hours, or even overnight if you have time. This really helps soften the grains and speeds up the cooking process. Plus, it makes the rice easier to digest. Once soaked, give it a good rinse under cold water until it runs completely clear. This step is key for perfect rice. Now let's talk about cooking methods. If you're using a pot on the stovetop, use a ratio of 1 cup of rice to 3 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes. For a pressure cooker, it's 1 cup of rice to 2.5 cups of water. Cook for about 3 to 4 whistles on medium heat, and it will be perfect. For that perfect texture, letting your rice rest is essential. Once it's cooked, leave it covered for at least 10 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute, ensuring every grain is beautifully fluffy. Then just gently fluff it with a fork before serving. Avoid over-stirring, as that can make your delicious rice a bit mushy. A little patience goes a long way here. Mappillai Samba rice is incredibly versatile. It's fantastic served with your favorite curries, hearty stews, or even transformed into a flavorful pilaf. Its distinct nutty taste truly elevates any meal. So go ahead, enjoy the incredible flavor and impressive health benefits of this wonderful, traditional grain. You've just prepared a truly wholesome and delicious dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.